Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Emanuella Productions with your host, Technology's Edge. Today's video you should just never do. Don't do it. Yeah, you can review a phone case or a phone or a flash drive. Don't review fire alarms. They're not meant to be reviewed, guys. You can use them in your system tests, but don't get all technical and down and dirty with it. Like, what? Why? What's the point? Why? Anyway, with that out of the way, hope you guys enjoy and let's roll the clip. Here. You know, if you don't know what that means, it's Matt is obsessed with everything. Today's video is a review of the SpectraAlert Advance 2-wire model. So here, look. It's got a strobe. Okay. Yes, this is a fire alarm device, guys. And I have it set to 115 candela right now because I stare into it sometimes and I'm bored. I also want to you know. Anyway, this is the mounting bracket. You see, this is what you mount to the side of your computer or something, and hook in your USB cord so that your computer has a fire alarm. Or you can put it on a wall, I guess. But who wants it on a wall? I mean, come on, boy. And then the actual alarm, it's from System Sensor. It's a P2R. Oh my god, my phone won't focus. Hang on, guys. Please, come on, you $2 track phone, focus. Sorry guys, my mom won't buy me an iPhone 7 or whatever's coming out, so she bought me one of those little LG track phones, and I hate it. I hate her for buying me it. Die, Mom. Anyway, so you hook this in and it makes noise. Now guys, I don't have a panel, so I can't hook this up right now. But I found this really cool video on YouTube called MT via USB. And apparently you can hook up a USB. Oh, it's down here. A USB to this. And it'll go, you know. But, and then the only thing is the flasher doesn't flash. But, you know, that's A-okay in my opinion, because when I stare into that thing, sometimes I get visions. Anyway, guys, this has been Mio. Matt is obsessed with everything. Please comment and subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Like, I only have 10 subscribers, and guys, my dream is to have a big YouTube channel and make dollars and cents. If it don't make dollars, it don't make sense, guys. Keep it real, homie. Bye.